ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు మీ ఇష్టం.
Artificial intelligence replicates human intelligence in the automated process that machines perform. Machines require human intelligence to execute actions. So these computer process are data learning based and can respond, recommended, decide, and autocorrect on the basis of interaction. So we use artificial intelligence to change in a company's or nation's earnings, revenue, GDP, or some other measure from one period of time to the next. Growth shows by how much the measure has grown or shrunk in raw dollar amounts, but may be expressed as a percentage as well. It may or may not be adjusted for inflation. And financial analysis is a process of evaluating business and project suitability, the company ability, profitability, and performance. It involves professional expertise and it needs a lot of financial data from the company to analyze and predict. To implementing the artificial intelligence in finance sector for automation to streamline process, big data processing, matching data from records, calculations and reports, interpretations and expectations, provide personalized information, and also to add virtual assistants, chatbots to the website, online portals, mobile applications, and your page on the social media platform. And artificial intelligence brings lots of promises to the financial services industry, including a way to address the scarcity of workers who possess data analytics, cybersecurity, and AI skills. If deployed to its fullest, a new study has estimated that AI will benefit the bottom line of financial services companies around the globe by $140 billion, and the present growth rate of financial sector in India is about 8.5%, and an increase in growth rate is equivalent to growth of our economy. So the Reserve Bank of India has also played a major role to help in growth of financial sector of India. Um, that's it from my side.
Okay, now I want to continue. Success is not just defined by how much money you make. There are various factors to consider, including turnover, debits, staff turnover, and customer satisfaction. You should also consider how the business is impacting you on a personal level. And probability is one of way of measuring success. It is a naive and maybe complaints to think that because your business is showing a net profit that is successful. There are other financial and non-financial factors to consider. And any business owner will tell you that the happier the staff or the more productive they will be, which in turn should mean the greater the bottom line profit. And how do I measure customer satisfaction? Is a business need to be built on solid foundations in order to achieve sustained success. Unhappy customers may bring short-term success, but to ensure you can carry the success on over a number of years, you need to ensure you have to solid customer base who are happy to keep coming back to you and will hopeful recommended to you others. And that's it from my side. Anyone can say.
Myself, Sheikh Muhammad. Yeah, artificial intelligence is the finance is transforming the way of the interact with money. AI is helping the finance industry to streamline and optimize the process ranging from credit decisions to quantitative trending, finance and risk management. AI or the artificial intelligence is the simulations of the human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. These process include learning, reasoning, self-corporations, some applications of AI, prediction of the future outcomes and trends with this power to predict the future scenarios by analyze the past behavior. AI helps the bank predict future outcomes and trends. This helps bank to identify the further anti-money pattern and make customer recommendation. So that's it for my side.
So yeah,
Then
this is Shoaib. Let me get. So
hello,
Yeah.
వాయిస్ ఆడిబుల్ గా లేదు షేబ్.
yeah, can you hear me now?
యా
Yeah.
స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
వినిపిస్తుందా?
యా చెప్పు.
లేదు
లేదా? ఒక నిమిషం నేను కట్
ఇప్పటివరకు
చేసి మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవుతాను.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తుంది.
హలో.
హలో.
స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
షోయబ్ వినిపిస్తుంది, స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
హలో.
హలో.
So continue.
Yeah. So companies of all shapes and sizes within the fintech space share the same vision. They are all hungry to challenge the status coefficient or traditional finance industry. So providing these services, financial services through our company help us to grow a lot, and we can have a growth line which will be inclined year by year. So we must use this and fintech and provide all the companies with financial.
హలో.
Hello.
యా
కంటిన్యూ
యా.
చేయి.
Yeah, if monetary strikes us, we can think of changing our job and having a job in finances. So using this financial technologies will help our companies a lot, and we can have a growth rate that will be very useful. And within few years, we can see there is a lot of profit for our company. Yeah, that's it from my side.
ఓకే.